The unboxing process was very straightforward. There's absolutely no issues. You're actually presented with the manual right on top of the box, and you also have an additional supplemental pack where you get the left and right sleeves for the window installation, and you also get a bunch of screws and foam to better protect against vibration and insects. I just got the unit unboxed, and let me just say that this unit looks different from all the other units that I've unboxed and reviewed. It almost has like a front angle right here, and it just seems more three-dimensional than all the other air conditioners in a way. It's kind of interesting. What I will say is that this unit appears to have a drain port right here, but that's a rubber stopper right there. I'm going to finish assembling this and get it installed into the window, and we'll take it from there. The way they twist tied these side panels kind of made some memory inside the grommet right here. Looks like it'll go back over time. Out of all the other air conditioners that I've reviewed, this one is not toolless when it comes to adding the side panels. You actually have to use what looks like screws, and with all the other air conditioners, you can actually slide the side panel down here so it adheres to this part of the air conditioner. So yeah, the only gripe I had with the installation of this air conditioner was the fact that you had to manually screw in the sleeves on each side. Every single air conditioner that I had to install in the past, all you had to do was just slide it through the grooves and you were done in a matter of seconds. So this took a good 5 to 10 minutes to screw in all 8 screws because it was kind of a pain to be able to line up all the screws in the holes on the side of the air conditioner. But all in all, I'm actually impressed with the quality of this air conditioner and how higher end it feels. So here's what I was telling you about. Basically, instead of just the air conditioner being flat like all the other ones I've seen, this kind of has like an angle to it, so the air kind of comes up and out. So what I do is I take pallet wood like this, and there's like 2 metal brackets underneath the air conditioner that I just, make sure that this is the correct fit for. There's multiple different thicknesses in pallet wood. Each pallet is made with all different kinds of thickness pieces, so you'll find something that works. The knob right here that goes to fan only on the top, and then you have cool on, and then you can just go all the way up to max, which is the coolest. Fan speed low high switch, and then on off. And you also have a filter.